In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add travel notice on Charles Schwab app. Setting a travel notice is a simple way to reduce the chance of declined transactions while you're away, and it helps Schwab monitor unusual activity more effectively. Start by opening the Schwab mobile app on your device and sign into your account. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection so everything saves correctly. From the main screen, look for the menu icon at the top left. It's the three horizontal lines. Tap that to open the full menu. Scroll down until you reach the support section, then choose Client Service. You'll recognize it by the small headset or headphone icon next to it. This area houses tools that help you manage account-related requests. Inside Client Service, locate the Travel Notices option. Tap Set up Travel Notices, then tap Add Travel. This brings up the form where you'll provide details about your trip. Next, select the Schwab debit card you plan to use while traveling. If you have more than one card, remember that Schwab requires a separate notice for each card. That way, every card you carry is covered, and you won't run into avoidable declines at checkout or ATMs. Now enter your travel details. Add your destination country or countries and the dates you expect to travel. Be as accurate as you can and include all countries you'll visit so the system recognizes your activity in each location. When your details look correct, tap Continue. Before you submit, take a moment to review everything on the confirmation screen. Double-check the card selected, the countries listed, and your start and end dates. When you're confident the information is right, tap Submit Travel Notice. That's it, you're done. Your notice is recorded, and it will help Schwab's systems understand that transactions during your trip are expected. A quick note on real-world experiences. Some travelers report that their cards work fine without a notice, while others still encounter fraud blocks abroad. To give yourself the best chance of smooth spending, add a travel notice, enable text alerts, and make sure your mobile number is up to date in your profile. Schwab Mobile supports security alerts and fraud notifications, which can help you respond quickly if anything looks unusual. Set up your notice before your departure, and if you're carrying multiple debit cards, repeat the process for each one. With that in place, you can focus on your trip and worry less about payment interruptions.